Have you ever wondered how our solar system came to be? It all started billions of years ago. Imagine a giant cloud of gas and dust floating in space. This cloud was huge, like a giant space dust bunny. Over time, this cloud started to collapse in on itself. It's like when you make a snowball, packing more and more snow together. As the cloud squeezed tighter, it began to spin faster and faster, like a top going really fast. In the center of all this spinning, our sun was born. The sun got hotter and brighter. The leftover gas and dust swirled around the sun, bumping into each other. These clumps eventually became the planets, moons, and everything else in our solar system. It was a slow process, but after millions of years, our solar system started to look like it does today. Our solar system is like a big family with the sun at the center. Everything in the solar system revolves around the sun because of its gravity. It's like the sun has an invisible string attached to everything, keeping them close. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The closest 4 planets to the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, that's us, and Mars. These planets are like rocks and are called the inner planets. Farther away from the sun are the outer planets, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets are really big and made mostly of gas. Can you imagine a planet made of gas? But wait, there's more. Our solar system is also home to many other objects like moons, asteroids, and comets. Moons are like little friends that orbit the planets. Asteroids are giant rocks, and comets are like giant snowballs that leave trails of gas and dust. Let's take a closer look at the inner planets, our rocky neighbors. Mercury is the smallest planet and closest to the sun. It's a very hot planet, like a furnace. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury. It's covered in thick clouds that trap heat. Next up is Earth, our home. Earth is the only planet that we know of that has life. It has the perfect temperature for oceans, and we need water to live. Finally, there's Mars, the red planet. Mars is known for its rusty red color because of all the iron oxide, which is like rust on your bike. Section 4. Gas giants and icy worlds. A trip to the outer solar system. Now let's blast off to the outer solar system, where the gas giants live. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's so big that you could fit 1,300 Earths inside it. Next is Saturn, the planet with the rings. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rock, and they're so big you could see them with a telescope from Earth. Uranus is a blue-green planet that spins on its side. It's like it's doing a cartwheel through space. And last but not least is Neptune, the farthest planet from the sun. Neptune is a very windy planet, and it has a dark spot that's like a giant storm. The outer solar system is also home to many moons, some of which are even bigger than the planet Mercury. These moons are fascinating worlds with ice volcanoes and even hidden oceans. Section 5. Far, far away. A peek into the trans-Neptunian region. Way out beyond Neptune, it's very cold and dark. This area is called the trans-Neptunian region. It's like the outer suburbs of our solar system. This region is home to dwarf planets like Pluto. Pluto used to be considered our 9th planet, but it's so small that scientists decided to call it a dwarf planet instead. The trans-Neptunian region is also full of icy objects like comets. These objects are leftovers from the early solar system, like little time capsules. Section 6. Our place in space. A summary of our amazing solar system. So there you have it. From the sun's birth to the distant reaches of the trans-Neptunian region, our solar system is an amazing place full of wonder and discovery. Remember that the solar system formed from a giant cloud of gas and dust. The sun formed in the center, and the planets, including our Earth, formed from the leftovers. We explored the rocky inner planets and the giant outer planets, and even took a peek at the icy objects in the trans-Neptunian region. There's still so much to learn about our solar system. Who knows what other amazing discoveries await us as we continue to explore the vastness of space. Keep looking up.